Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to use the app OneDrive. So first you're going to open up Chrome or Safari or whatever you use for your internet. I already have it pulled up, but if you didn't have it pulled up, you go to OneDrive, you just type in OneDrive, or you could type in Office, type in your credentials, and then then you'll go to OneDrive and this should be pulled up. So first, there are different ways to make folders, but the main cool thing about OneDrive is that you're able to share with classmates or even with teachers. So I'm gonna show you. So first, if you want to create a new document, you go here and you can pick any kind of Word document, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, anything you want. So I'll pick a Word document, and it's loading. So if you want to name it, you'll go up here, you'll click on document, and you'll say, I'll just write my name. I don't really have anything to name it now. So normally, okay, so here's my name. So I'm just gonna name it Santa Cana until it's my name. Okay, so, and then I'll just pretend to type it. And then the really cool thing about this is that instead of only you having access to your Word document, you actually can share this, and you can either have anyone view it, or if you click on this, then you can change it. You can say anyone within your school views it, or you can say specific people. And then you can click allow editing. So if you're working on a group project, this is great for collaboration, because if I was working on something with history, then I would be like, okay, I'm going to share to make sure that I say allow editing. Anyone with this link can edit it, and if I want, I can set an expiration date and a password. I'll apply it, and if I wanted to, I could say to my friend Hannah Cleveland. That's my roommate. But if I was actually doing that, I would send that to her. And this is also a great way for you to be able to turn in your work to your teachers, because you can just share this link with them, and then they have the ability to just go and view what you have done. So it's a really great app for collaboration, and it can be used for any age. Definitely better once you get to college, but it can be used for any age group.